Breaking news, we found Godzilla in the city of New York. One of our men got a video of it, and we're gonna show you in a couple minutes.
Man, this place is so sunny, so happy, so wonderful. Look. Let me in. Wait, no.
Today's video, well, it's not really a video, but we're gonna watch a Godzilla clip. Okay, he ate a civilian so far. Wait, is that my house? The frick, is that my house? Oh no. Godzilla, his reigning terror. He broke down a streamer's house and he ate a civilian. This is not going great right now. The military are trying to kill it, but it's eating the military. Breaking news.
Got my rocket. I'm gonna fly away and escape Godzilla. Wait a minute. Is that King Kong but with a big forehead? Oh no! Go, Rocket, go! Go, Rocket! Wait, no, my rocket! It left without me! Where is he? I'm safe. I'm safe. Huh? Oh my god. Oh my god!